Alright, we're going to fix the tire on my Jeep today. Actually, I've already fixed it. So, stay tuned to see how I did it. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to plug a tire. The tire on my Jeeps went flat. And, I just happen to have a plug kit for it, for plugging tires. The kit I will show you here is going to be 4 parts. You got your reamer, this is to ream and clean the hole out with. Then you got your plug inserter. It's got the slot in it. Then we got your plugs. And always use the rubber cement. You can get away without using the rubber cement, but it works a lot better with it. You don't have to worry as much. And then of course, we got some soap water for checking the air and my air pump. So get you a little closer here. Like I say, I've already located the hole. It's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my reamer. Scrub it out real good. It's really sunny out here. Having a hard time seeing where I'm at on the camera. Alright. So now that we have our hole reamed out, which looks really scary, we're going to get one of these prepared. And sometimes it's a little tricky getting it in here. I'm going to try to remember not to scream because I have my mic's really close to me. So now that you got that pulled about halfway through there, just go ahead and bend it back like that. Go ahead and pop open your rubber cement. Try not to get it all over your rims and stuff, but get it on there good. You want to shove it in and let it a little bit hang out. Then you can kind of twist and pull and this will come back out and your plug will still be in there. And a lot of times if you're plugging on the top of the tire or wherever, that's going to wear off. This won't wear off, but I'm not worried about it because I want to replace these tires eventually. As you can see, they're getting pretty bald. There's your plug. So now let's put some air in here and see what happens. Those plugs have tar on them. It's real sticky. That along with your rubber cement is going to make a really good bond in there, especially if it's warmer outside. Once we fill this up, we'll put a little water on here. Make sure we don't see any bubbles. And I can already tell it's good and sealed. If you don't have an air tank like this, you can also use your little tire pump. That's going to take longer though. My air tank may not fill it all the way up though. So. Enough of that. Let's go ahead and see if this tank will. Well, let's see how much pressure we have in there first. About 20 pounds. Basically, that's it though. I mean, we plugged the tire, there's no bubble in here, so we're good until something else happens. But I'll finish getting this filled up, and that'll be it for that. Thanks for watching. I shoved that one too far, so let's try another one. It went in easier than I expected.